The Net Present Value Interactive Calculator helps you evaluate whether an investment project will add value to your company. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate NPV from cash flows, calculate IRR, calculate discounted payback period, calculate profitability index, calculate required discount rate for NPV equals 0, or calculate equivalent annual annuity. For this demo, we're using Calculate NPV. Enter your initial investment in dollars. We'll use $100,000. Set your discount rate as a percentage, 8% for our example. Input your annual cash flows as comma-separated values in dollars, $25,000, $30,000, $35,000, $40,000, and $45,000. Finally, specify your project life in years, 5 years here. Click Calculate. The results show a net present value of $36,679.88. The total cash inflows PV is $136,679.88. The project period confirms 5 years with an 8% discount rate. The recommendation states accept project because it generates positive value, with the NPV representing the increase in firm value. This positive NPV means your project creates value beyond the required return. Find the link in the description below.